back, relax, grab a drink, and enjoy today's Stitch Fix unboxing. So I took it out of the box, but I haven't opened yet, but let me show you guys. This is the patterns we have. Still in its wrapping, and let's jump right into it. The first thing is this. Oh, it's like a tank cami. Cute. I like this. It's really soft too. And since I don't have a lot of snake print, I'm really digging it. And this one is a 3X, and it is by the brand Paper Moon, and it is $30. So really soft and nice. We will see how it fits in a moment. What else do we have here? Ooh, okay, this is like a little off the shoulder top from City Chic, also in a 3X, and it is $58. I like the colors on the stripe. It's kind of like this darker blue, almost denim-like color, and then we have this darker mauve-y color and this kind of coral color and the white. I think this could be really cute. It has a little tie wrap here around the waist, so we will see about that too, because that'll be good for the warmer weather. Next, we got this beautiful kimono. Okay, I love the colors on this. This is so tropical. Like, I just need to go on a beach somewhere. Absolutely. And I love this detailing along the edges here. That is so cute, so on trend. This is fabulous. I'm obsessed. This is from the brand Emery Park, and it's in a 3X, and it is $44. So I'm really excited to see how this looks. Ooh, okay. This is a gorgeous little dress here. Oh my gosh, look at that. Can you guys see? It's scalloped. Oh, I love that. It's just so cute to me. I love everything scalloped. This is just so pretty. It has polka dots. Ooh, and it has pockets. And it's got stretch in the back. I think that'll be comfortable for bustier people too. And it is a 3X, and it's from the brand Market and Spruce. You guys hear my dogs? And this is $68. So I'm really excited to see how this looks. This is just like so fun. I love the navy polka dot. I don't have a lot of navy items, so it'd be fun to kind of add in to my wardrobe. And last but not least, we got some butter denim. They're size 24 and they're ankle skinny. From the brand 1822, and they are $48. They are so soft. Literally probably one of the softest pair of jeans that I've ever touched. They're just really, really nice and soft. There's no like distressing, which I know some of you guys don't like. I personally love distressing, so not that I'm not gonna knock them out, because I mean they might fit amazing, and it could be good to have one pair of non-distressed pants. So let's go ahead and try this stuff on. I am loving this dress. I think it fits really nice. Hi Georgie. And the color is fun. Like I said, I don't have a lot of it, so I like that. And it fits really comfortably throughout the whole dress. There's not a lot of stretch to it, but it's still like flowy enough where it's comfortable. And it has enough stretch where you don't feel like, you know, it's gonna bust out or anything. You see there's still enough there. And I just love the flow of it. It also is lined, so that is nice. You don't have to worry about anything seeing through at all. And it's a really nice, just kind of cooling fabric as well. So I love the whole thing on. Obviously I would wear it with strapless to, you know, actually wear it out, but I think it's so cute. What I actually really like about it too is I feel like you could easily dress it up or dress it down, just depending on what accessories and shoes you wear with it. I could wear this so much in summer, and I don't know if you guys could tell, this whole time I've had my cell phone in the pocket, and I was testing it out to see, you know, just how in disguise it would be in the pocket, and I feel like you couldn't really tell. Like, let me know if you guys saw some weird bunching happening or anything and could tell something was going on or not. But honestly, even if you notice like a minimal amount, I feel like that's really good for a dress with pockets. And who doesn't like a pocket, especially in the summer? You want to just go out, like you're gonna go to lunch, you're gonna go run some errands. It's just kind of nice to have these actual pockets with this dress. So I think this is definitely going to be something I will wear a lot in the warmer weather. I think I'm really loving this top. It's very light and breezy. I think it'll be really nice for hot days. It has a nice little flow with the peplum here, so the fabric's not like clingy, and then same with the arms. You have all this flow with the flutter sleeve, so I feel like you would definitely stay cool in this. And the colors are just really pretty. It definitely feels like a very chic top. And I love that you can wear a regular bra with it because of the strap. So that is nice, especially if you are larger chested. It's just nice to have that option. I think it fits really nicely. I just paired it with a pair of jeans that I already had just handy. So I just threw these on. But yeah, I think it's super cute. I love the colors and the fit and just the fabric of it all. I feel like this is honestly a great option. This outfit is giving me very weird sensations because I literally feel like I'm in pajamas. That's how soft and stretchy both the top and the bottoms are. But clearly I look pulled together. Black jeans, and then I love the snake print. I think it's so cute. I think it fits nice. It has the crisscrosses in the back, which I think gives another extra detail. Obviously, again, strapless bra, you know, but the top is a nice length too. And it has just like a teeniest amount of flow away from the body, but it definitely is more body hugging. But I think it's also just the nature of this fabric. This fabric tends to cling no matter what. So that is part of this beautiful top. But then for the pants, I really do like the pants. I think they fit nicely. They're so stretchy and so comfortable. Like, I have room in the waist still. I mean, room everywhere. But I still feel like they fit nicely. They don't look like they're too big or anything. This could be a perfect outfit for when you want to look pulled together but literally feel like you're in your pajamas. You know, I come across outfits like this every once in a while where they really feel like pajamas but they don't look like it. But this is one of the most pajama feeling outfits that don't look like it I think I've ever tried, or if it's definitely like the top 5. Pair it with a fun like pop of color, booty, flat, wedge, whatever. Put some fun earrings, a necklace, put a jacket over it. I mean, this is super fun, and it looks a little sexy, a little flirty. You could have tucked in the tank as well into the pants and wear a really cute belt, which I would love that too. And I just think it would look nice. It doesn't hug the belly toe too much either. Probably because it is a little bit loose throughout and just really stretchy and soft. I don't know. It seems to just fit pretty much perfect. So super happy with this look. I feel cute. I just need to go out for a date night. I guess we'll do a date night in this outfit. Put a little cute little wedge with it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. I had to show you guys what I was envisioning, but like, how cute is this with the western belts, and then it's tucked in with the pop of red. Ooh, okay. Hi Georgie purse. I love it. Ooh, cowboy baby. Okay, now really we're gonna look at the next look. Our last item is the kimono. I love it. I think the fit is great. It's like a mid-length, goes, you know, about mid-thigh on the side here. Definitely goes past the butt and everything. The sleeves are roomy enough. The whole body of it is roomy enough too, where I don't feel like it's too tight or too loose. I like a good kimono, especially in the summer, because I think with putting just over a little tank like this, and I probably wouldn't wear the black jeans in the hot of summer. I'd wear something like jean shorts, or maybe a jean skirt, something like that, or even putting on like t-shirt dress and then popping this over it. So great for summer, and these colors are just so fun. If you watched me for a while, you already know I love yellow, so obviously I'm partial to this, so I love it. I feel like a tropical goddess in it. Overall, I feel like this is really cute. So let's talk the box. Overall, I feel like this was a good box. I really liked everything. I would say that it all was my style or similar to my style, or took aspects of my style and tried something new. I think the thing that was the most out of my style was probably the City Chic stripe top. I really loved it. I thought it was really nice, something different, and you know, that's what's fun about doing boxes, is you can kind of try some things that you maybe wouldn't have. Let's talk prices. Subtotal was $248. In case you didn't already know, they give you a discount of 25% off if you keep the whole box. So if I kept the whole box, it would bring it down to $186. So that's not too bad then. There's the one nice thing is when you do love the whole box, that's how you can really save the most. So I'm not too sure, because I'm not sure if I should go for just getting the whole box and getting the discount, or if I should just pick out a couple pieces that were some of my favorites. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know if you think I should keep the whole box, or if you thought just a few of the items were like standout pieces, that those are the pieces I should get. Because like, for example, just getting just this kimono on its own is $44. Well, it's still $140 cheaper than getting the whole box. So if I was like, okay, I really just want the kimono, obviously that's still the way to go. Or if I just want whatever the item may be. So I'm definitely gonna have to think about it. I'm honestly not sure what I'm gonna do yet. So let me know. I always love to hear your guys' opinion on what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to just be you. Bye guys. Whenever I wear a kimono, I feel like Stevie Nicks. Ooh. Oops, I did it again. I like a licky mucka is the thing to say. Am I like in Christmas right now? But I feel like I'm in a Hawaiian Christmas with this one right here. This video, we're gonna actually do a little quiz. I'm curious if you guys know when the first cell phone or mobile phone came out. You know, if you know the year, if you know the day, the month, and the year, extra bonus points for you.